Do you want to lock a folder on your Windows computer? Then make sure to watch this video to know more about it. Now first, using Windows, open File Explorer, right-click on the folder you want to lock, select Properties, choose Advanced under the General tab, then click the checkbox next to Encrypt Contents to secure data, then click OK. You just have to take note that this is usually not available in Windows 10 and 11 Home Edition. But once you're done doing that, select Apply Changes to this folder, subfolders, and files, then click OK. Now, you have to click Backup File Encryption Key option, select Backup Now Recommended, click Next, select the format you want to use, then click Next, click the checkbox next to Password, create a password, then click Next, then insert a USB thumb drive, click Browse, select a location of your thumb drive, enter a file name, click Save, click Next, and then choose Finish. As for the next method, open OneDrive, double-click Personal Vault, move your files you want to protect into the Personal Vault, then lock the folder by right-clicking, then select Lock Folder, and put any code that you would like. Another method is to use a 7-zip. Just right-click the folder you want to protect, click 7-zip, select Add to Archive, set your encryption options, like clicking Delete after compression, set it to 0, then enter an encryption password, then click OK. And those are the 3 easy ways on how to lock a folder in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.